Hello students, welcome to St. Thomas School, class 4, Wednesday session. Looking around, lesson number Let us eat together. Last we had discussed in lesson 19, Let us eat together, about a one celebration prepared by mother. That mother was making a undiu with brinjal, potato, tomato, capsicum, coriander, ginger, sweet potato, elephant food, yam, fenugreek leaves, and grandmother was making a hot jalebi. Now everybody went on the terrace to fly kite, and some was holding a firki in their hand, and everybody was shouting, "A kaipo che, kaipo che." Everybody cheered with the song "A kaipo e gayo." Throughout of the day we were in sunlight and enjoyed a lot. Uttarayan is celebrated on 14th January. The people from all religions celebrate this with great zeal and pomp. Til and chikki made and everybody is eating. Some are bringing from the market and preparing and eating it. Find out and tell that Uttarayan celebration at night, people are flying the lantern. With our friends, we are celebrating many festivals like Diwali, Holi, and we eat all different things. We shall have a special clothes for wearing on a certain festivals. The Uttarayan is also known as a Pongal or harvesting festival in other state of India, and it is celebrated with great enthusiasm. Not only in Gujarat but in other state also, it is also considered as one of the best celebration of the different festival. In Assam, Bihu festival is also celebrated during that time. Now, second point is midday meal. 1:30 afternoon, the aroma of food is being cooked has filled the air, and all the friends' stomach is craving for food, and they all were hungry, but not able to pay attention to the lesson. Then suddenly a bell is ringing, ton ton ton. All children ran out to wash their hands. After washing their hands, they all sit in a queue to take the food. We got plate from the school. Before we start to eat, we sang together. We play together, we eat together for good of everyone. We will be always together. Today there is chana chaat, thepla, suki bhaji in our meal. Yesterday we had a sukdi, vegetable khichdi. Outside of the kitchen of the school menu is displayed. In a school, midday meal scheme is going on. That means Madhyahan Bhojan Yojana. In this Madhyan Bhojan Yojana, all are getting food for eating. Every day, good sweet dishes and varieties will be there. Chana chaat, thepla, suki bhaji, khichdi, dal bhat, mag bhat. These are the menus for them. Dal dhokli. These are the menu for the midday meal. And all the days of a week they are getting. It is wonderful when you got sweet as an extra treatment. There is another interesting thing about the lunchtime at school. Every day we change our places in the circle and sit next to the different child. I like this really because I can meet new children and make new friends. This was the boy was saying in the story. Teachers take care of the each children and making the arrangement to get the fresh and hot meal. Parents are also offer special meal for the help. Sometimes parents are also offering This is the one of the great and good things we can see into the school era. Government has provided this midday meal scheme and each child is benefited. Next session we shall more talk about the another points. Till then I remain. Thank you.